Hello everyone, my name is Rasleen and today I am here to share my experience about NAATI exam for which I have taken coaching from CCL Tutorials. Initially when I started preparing for the exam, I thought that self-preparation would be enough for me to crack this exam to get the passing score, which was 63 marks out of 90. But when I started preparing for it, I thought that I do need some guidance and coaching in the right direction. So I thought to enroll for coaching with CCL Tutorials because few of my friends have recommended about it and their reviews were really good. So I joined CCL Tutorials and in specific, I need to give this exam in Punjabi. So I enrolled in Punjabi class and the tutorial was 𝐶𝑡 Singh. So about 𝐶𝑡, one thing which I would say best about 𝐶𝑡 was that he was very polite and very motivating because he was always asking students to participate in the class and prepare for their exam in the right direction. And he has always been good and understanding in regards to how to teach students to crack their exam. Before joining the class, my aim was to get a passing score, but when I started preparing for it, I wanted to get good results, and 𝐶𝑡 has really helped me in getting my desired score, and as well as not only desired score, I would say he has helped me to get a very good score, not just the passing marks. So I want to conclude it by saying that 𝐶𝑡 is a very good tutor for NAATI Punjabi coaching, and I would definitely recommend him so that anyone who is looking to get NAATI coaching in Punjab, specifically in Punjabi, so please join CCL Tutorials. You will crack your exam in first attempt. All the best everyone, and thanks CCL Tutorials and 𝐶𝑡.